Do you struggle to wait? Not the cheerful Pinterest version of waiting, right? Not that kind. We want the kind of waiting that is hard. It's a real kind of waiting, the kind that feels heavy, the kind that feels quiet, the kind that feels sad. So, Advent is a season of waiting. Advent is traditionally the month of December. Um, for many people, waiting mirrors emotional pain. It mirrors someone where seasons where healing feels delayed, answers don't come, hope feels very, very, very distant. If this is you, I want you to know this right away. You're not failing, you're not broken, and you're not doing this waiting thing wrong. Okay, so today we're going to look at how waiting actually shapes our brain, our body, the soul, and how God uses waiting to gently rewire hope and joy. There's space for joy in the waiting. And that's what we're going to talk about today, friends.